Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to process acorns to eat. Acorns are a fantastic, nutritious wild food source, but they require careful preparation. We'll start by learning how to identify and collect the best acorns. Look for mature, healthy nuts, usually found on the ground in autumn. Avoid any with visible damage or mold. Sorting them by type can also be helpful, as some varieties are easier to process than others. Once you've gathered your acorns, the next step is shelling them. You can use a nutcracker, a hammer, or even a sturdy rock to carefully crack the hard outer shell. Be sure to remove all the shell fragments. Inspect the nut meat. Discard any pieces that appear dark, shriveled, or otherwise unhealthy. After shelling, spread the nut meats out to air dry for a few days. This initial drying helps prevent mold growth before the next crucial step. Now for the most important part, leaching. Acorns contain tannins which are bitter and can be indigestible. You have two main options, cold water or hot water leaching. For cold leaching, soak the acorns in cold water, changing the water daily for several days until the water runs clear. Hot leaching involves boiling the acorns in multiple changes of water until the bitterness is gone, which is a much quicker process, often taking just a few hours. After leaching, your acorns are finally edible. However, they need to be thoroughly dried again to prevent spoilage. Spread the leached acorns in a single layer on a baking sheet or screen and allow them to air dry completely, which might take several days. Once fully dry, store them in airtight containers in a cool, dark place. You can then grind them into a nutritious flour for baking or enjoy them as whole nuts in various recipes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.